guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make a professional intro for your new YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. In order to make the professional intro for your YouTube channel, we just simply have to go to an app called as Legend application. I'm just gonna click on it, and later on I will tell you guys how you can download that app.
Sue is a social platform that puts the content creators first. Everyone is a content creator, advertiser.
As soon as the advertisement ends, we just have to click on this play app, and you just have to write down your YouTube channel name here. I will just write down hello and just enter this. Click on this tick button and click on this play button and exit this application. As you can see, there are many styles of intros you can make for your channel. There is daring, there is lines, there is display, there is quoted, there is dash, and you can also change the color of your intro as well. There are different type of colors you can add to your intro, and this is how you can make intro for your YouTube channel very easily. And I'm also using the same type of intro for my YouTube channel as well. Now I'll just tell you guys how you can download that app. You just simply have to go to the Play Store and search for Legend Text Animation Maker and just click on this and just download this app. As I already downloaded it, so you can install it and then open this, and that's how you can make the intro for your YouTube channel very easily. So I hope you like the video. If you do, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.